Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Soren Paape, one of the owners of Smile Now Dental Group. If you've invested in dental implants, especially full arch or all on 4, all on 6, you probably already know how life-changing they can be. You can smile, eat, speak, and live with confidence again. But here's a question I get asked a lot, and it's an important one. What happens if I skip maintenance on my implants? In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly why ongoing implant care is non-negotiable, what can go wrong if it's ignored, and what we can do at Smile Now to help you protect your investment in the long run. Let's get something straight. Dental implants are designed to be low maintenance, but that does not mean no maintenance. Just like a car, a home, or your natural teeth, if you don't take care of them, they can develop problems. Even though the implants themselves won't get cavities, the bone and gum around them are still living tissues and they need to be cleaned and monitored. If you stop regular professional cleanings or let your home care slide, here's what can happen. 1. Peri-implantitis. This is implant version of gum disease. Plaque and bacteria can build up around the implant, causing inflammation in the gums and even bone loss. Left untreated, it can lead to implant failure. Food traps and infections. Without proper cleaning, food can accumulate in small gaps or under the bridge, and over time, this can lead to bad breath, infection, and even abscess. Bite or prosthetic problems. The shape of your jaw and bite subtly can shift over time, and if you're not checking in regularly, you may not notice until something chips, cracks, or no longer fits properly. Skipping maintenance for too long can lead to expensive repairs, or worse, having to start the entire implant process over. This isn't scary talk, it's reality, and we've seen patients who came to us to get great dental implant work that failed simply because it wasn't maintained properly. For most patients, we recommend every 6 months a professional implant cleaning with one of our trained assistants or hygienists, once a year digital x-rays to check bone levels and implant stability, as needed, bite adjustments or retightening if you feel movement or shifting at all in the prosthetic. Every case is different, and we'll customize your maintenance schedule based on the type of implants you have, your medical history, your home care habits. At Smile Now, our implant maintenance visits include cleaning with specialized tools that won't damage the zirconia or titanium, thorough inspection of the soft tissue around the implants, checking your bite, occlusion, and any sign of wear, reviewing your at-home hygiene habits and tools, digital scans or x-rays if anything needs a closer look. It's not just a polish and go, it's a precision checkup to help keep your implants stable and healthy for the long haul. Between appointments, here's what we recommend. Brush twice daily with a soft bristled toothbrush or an electric toothbrush. Use a water flosser, especially under the bridges or second attachments. Rinse with a non-alcoholic mouthwash, and ask us about specialized brushes or tools for your setup. If something feels off, soreness, bleeding, or loosening, please don't wait. That's the best time to catch a small issue before it becomes a big one. It's been a while since your last implant cleaning, or you're just not sure if you're on the right maintenance plan, we're here to help. Click the link in the description to schedule your professional implant maintenance visit or schedule a free consultation here at Smile Now Dental Group. We'll take a look, give you honest feedback, and make sure your implants stay healthy, secure, and problem-free for years to come. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to check out our Instagram, and reach out to us if you have any questions at all. Have a great rest of your day.